Hi. In this video, we will learn how to create area and line charts in Excel.
Sometimes you may need to combine an area and a line chart together. For example, here we got revenues in dollar millions and we got the gross margin as percentage. So if we were to combine these together into one chart, which has a area chart for the revenues and a line chart for margins. Now we are able to visualize revenues in one type of units and gross margin in another type of units. So the ideal chart would combine both the area chart and the line chart. So now we'll see how we can create this. First we select the data like this, the whole range, including the years. And then we go to insert. And then we go to line or area chart over here. And then we go to 2D area chart and select the first one, 2D area chart. So it will look like this now. Let's change the font to Arial 9. We'll do a right click here. Go to format chart area. And we say no fill here and no border. And no line. Now we'll select the grid lines. Do a right click, format grid lines. And we'll make it solid line and gray color. And transparency, we'll make it 50%. Now we'll select the gross margin data series. That's the orange one, the line like this. And go to format data series. And now what we need to do is make it secondary axis like this. Make it was primary axis, we make it secondary axis. Now it's still an area chart, so we will select that again, right click and change series chart type. And now you see revenues is an area chart and gross margin is also area chart. So we'll change the gross margin to a line chart like this. So now gross margin is as you can see in the preview, has become a line chart. So that's how we can basically change the chart type for two data series. So revenue remains area and gross margin we have changed to line type. And we can say, okay. So it will look like this now. And if you come and select this gross margin data series like this and do a right click, go to format data series and then go to fill and line. If you come down, you see there's a smooth line tick box. So this line is kind of sharp like this. If you want, you can smooth the line by clicking smooth line like this. So that's optional. If you want, you can leave it like that, or you can smooth the line like this. So let's give a chart title. Let's say FY21 to FY23 revenues and gross margin. Let's make it dark blue color and bold. Let's change the left axis. So I select the left axis like this and right click, go to format axis, and I'll make the minimum value 20. Maximum I leave it, make it 27, and I'll keep major 1, and minor I'll change to 0.4. I will leave the right axis the same. If you want, you can change it. So this is how you can make a area and line chart combo.
Thanks for watching.